The MMB CarPlay AI Box offers enhanced connectivity options beyond traditional Wi-Fi. Equipped with a built-in SIM card slot supporting the 4G band, drivers can enjoy diverse network options, ensuring uninterrupted access to online services and content streaming while on the go. Furthermore, with 128 GB of built-in storage and the option to expand via the TF card slot, accommodating up to 256 GB, the MMB Max provides ample space for storing media files, apps, and more. The 2024 MMB CarPlay AI Box represents a quantum leap forward in in-car entertainment and connectivity. With its powerful hardware, seamless integration of essential functions, and advanced connectivity options, the MMB Max sets a new standard for automotive technology, promising drivers a truly immersive and enjoyable driving experience. The MMB CarPlay AI Box is designed to simplify your driving experience and eliminate clutter. By consolidating three essential functions into a single device, MMB Max streamlines the cockpit, allowing drivers to focus more on the road ahead. Whether it's accessing navigation directions, controlling music playback, or managing calls, everything is seamlessly integrated into the MMB Max, enhancing both convenience and safety on the road. Moreover, MMB Max ensures a smooth integration with your vehicle's original controls, preserving the familiar interface and user experience. Supporting touch controls, original vehicle knobs, and volume buttons, the MMB Max delivers an OEM-like experience, ensuring continuity and ease of use for drivers accustomed to their vehicle's controls. One of the standout features of the MMB Max is its seamless integration of wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and a versatile Android system. Gone are the days of cumbersome wires and tangled connections. Now, drivers can enjoy effortless music playback, seamless call management, and hassle-free navigation all from a single, multifunctional device.